Hello everyone, Tech Inventor Lab. I'm Arduino UNO, and today I'll teach you how to connect a DHT11 temperature and humidity sensor step by step. Today's project is perfect for beginners. By the end of this lesson, you'll know how to wire the sensor, upload the program, and monitor temperature and humidity.
Let's first collect all the required components before making any connections.
The DHT11 has 4 pins. VCC supplies power, data sends information, the third pin is unused, and the last pin is ground. First, connect the VCC pin of the DHT11 to the 5-volt output of the Arduino. Next, connect the data pin to digital pin 2. This single wire carries all sensor information. Now connect a 10 kilo ohm pull-up resistor. Connect it between the VCC and data pin. This resistor keeps the line high. It ensures stable communication, reliable communication with the Arduino. Excellent! All the hardware connections are now complete. Let's move to the Arduino IDE, upload the code, and start reading live temperature and humidity values. Now connect your Arduino UNO to your computer using a USB cable. Once connected, open the Arduino IDE to begin programming. Before uploading the code, install the DHT sensor library using the library manager. This library allows me to communicate with the DHT11 sensor. These lines define the sensor's data pin as digital pin 2 and specify that we're using a DHT11 sensor. This line creates the DHT sensor object, allowing me to communicate with the sensor and read its measurements. In the setup function, serial communication starts at 9600 baud, and the DHT sensor is initialized for operation. The loop function runs continuously, reading fresh sensor values every few seconds.
The function read humidity measures the moisture content in the surrounding air and displays it as a percentage.
The function read humidity measures the moisture content in the surrounding air and displays it as a percentage. The function read temperature measures the surrounding temperature in degrees Celsius. The same temperature can also be displayed in degrees Fahrenheit whenever needed. The program calculates the heat index, showing how hot the weather actually feels when humidity is considered. The program calculates the heat index, showing how hot the weather actually feels when humidity is considered. Open the serial monitor and set the baud rate to 9600. Here you'll see live temperature and humidity readings. This simple project forms the foundation of many digital weather stations used around the world. Farmers and greenhouse owners use temperature and humidity sensors to protect crops and improve plant growth. Smart homes use sensors like the DHT11 to automatically control fans, air conditioners, and ventilation systems. You can also combine this project with Wi-Fi modules to build Internet of Things, or IoT, monitoring systems. If your sensor isn't working, first verify every wire and make sure the pull-up resistor is correctly connected. Always confirm that you've selected the correct Arduino board, COM port, and installed the required DHT library. Congratulations! You've successfully connected the DHT11 sensor and learned how it measures temperature and humidity. Today we learned the hardware connections, installed the library, uploaded the code, viewed live data, and explored practical applications. Thank you for learning with Tech Inventor Lab. If you enjoyed this tutorial, subscribe to the channel so you never miss our future Arduino and projects. See you in the next class. Happy building!